with how much acidic, or how, what is the strength of this, what is the strength of this solution, whether it is an acid or base, and what is the strength. Please write. Always remember that pure water is neutral. Pure water is neutral. That means its uh, pH value is 7. It is neither acidic nor basic. You can see 8, 9, and this will have some different colors. Hmm. Let me know when you are done with this. Are you done with this?
Yes, we're done.
No. Importance of pH is very important. Right. Some points regarding this importance of pH. Everyday life. Now, the first point is our body works within the pH range of within the pH range of 7 to 7.8. 7 to 7.8. Next point. Can you tell me 7.8 whether it is an acidic or basic? Living organism can survive only in a narrow range of pH change. So basically, if the pH change will be very large, it will be very difficult for living organism to live. So living organism can only survive in a narrow range of pH change, not drastically change in pH. Next, when of rain, when pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, then it is called, acid. So whenever if rain is there and the pH is less than 5.7, so it will be acidic rain, acid rain. Next point, tooth decay takes place when pH is below 5.5. So basically, whenever the pH value is less than 5.5, if you don't do brush daily and if you eat something that goes and is stuck in between tooths, so that will be basically after sometimes bacteria will attack and the pH will, it will be acidic, and pH will, if pH will be below 5.5, so tooth decay will take place. Right.
Done, sir.
Very good. Now see. So have you studied about neutralization reaction? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Neutralization reaction. So see, I'm going to tell you about neutralization reaction once more. Neutralization reaction. And you know that what happens in neutralization reaction. Generally, I wrote it like this: acid plus base. When react with acid with base, salt plus water will form. Yes or no? Salt plus water will form. Now, the important point is that if you have a strong acid, plus a strong base, a strong acid plus a strong base, it will form neutral salt. It will form neutral salt plus water. That means the salt which formed has a pH equals to 7. It will not be, neither be an acidic nor be a basic. Okay. But when we talk about different conditions like situations, if you have a strong acid, if you are going to react a strong acid with weak base, since base is weak, so this acid will be dominant on that base. So the water, so basically the salt, see, whenever acid reacts with base, it will form salt plus water. But here the salt is neutral, neither acidic nor basic. Neutral, neither acidic nor basic. But in the second case, you can see a strong acid react with weak base. That means this strong acid will be dominant on weak base. So the solution will form acidic salt plus water. And if you are going to use weak acid plus a strong base, then this weak strong base will be dominant on weak acid and it will form basic salt plus water. Please write it. Let me know when you are done with this.
Done, sir.
Very good. So do you have any doubt in this? Yes or no? Azaan, do you have any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, wait a minute. You have two solutions. A and B. The pH of A is 6 and pH of B is it. Which solution has more hydrogen ion concentration? More hydrogen ion concentration. Which of these is acidic and which one is this? Which one is? Please let me know if you got answer.
Okay. Sir, the solution A, which whose pH value is 6, it is acidic, and the pH of B is 8, which is basic.
Very good. And which solution has more hydrogen ion concentration?
Sir, A.
Since it is acidic, so it will produce more and more ions. H plus. Okay. Okay, Azaan.
Yes, sir.
So in the next class, we are going to study about salts that